Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Kontakt and confirming its plugin path, because Ableton needs that exact folder to find the instrument. Once done, open Ableton's preferences and rescan the plugin folder so Kontakt appears. Then create a MIDI track and insert Kontakt as a plugin. Make sure the plugin's audio output is routed to Ableton's 1/2 master output. You do this first to ensure MIDI triggers and audio are routed correctly. Without proper routing, Kontakt will load but remain silent. Now you configure Kontakt's multi-outs and per-instrument routing, so each instrument can be processed separately in Ableton. First, enable additional outputs inside Kontakt, and then create matching audio tracks in Ableton, selecting the appropriate external output for each. Next, map MIDI channels or zones inside Kontakt, so each MIDI track triggers the intended instrument. This avoids cross-triggering. Also adjust buffer size and preload settings to balance CPU and RAM. Lower preload for less memory, increase buffer if you hear clicks. Finish by treating each Kontakt output like a separate instrument. Apply EQ, compression, and send FX in Ableton, then freeze or resample tracks to conserve CPU. Once done, save the Kontakt instrument bank and your Ableton set so you retain routing and presets. If you run into issues, no audio, MIDI not triggering, or missing samples, first check that Ableton scanned the correct plugin folder. Confirm the Kontakt instrument's audio outputs are routed to Ableton tracks, and verify MIDI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.